Meesho random kitchen useful find. First I got combo of 2 kitchen napkins which is reusable and super affordable. By the help of this napkin you can clean your kitchen, TV, fridge, all appliances. You can take one section and you can reuse again and again. Next I got double-sided stainless steel scrub which is multi-purpose reusable wire dishwash cloth which is also quite affordable and durable. Next I got combo of kitchen cleaning towel. The quality is actually very good, pure cotton and super affordable. Next I got food paper wrapping 1 kg. You can use this product as a foil paper, butter paper and wrapping paper. If you want any product, comment me for the link or you can take screenshot and search it on the Meesho app.